MaxUC Mobile assembles a contact list for you to utilize. To access this list, click on the Contacts tab. Depending on how you have your service set up and what you have allowed the application to access on your phone, your list may include contacts you added directly into MaxUC Mobile, contacts stored on your mobile device, contacts in ComPortal Contacts directory, and contacts in your corporate directory. While viewing a contact, you can access call and chat options. To see these options, click on the user within the list you wish to call or send an IM to. The contacts information page will appear with the respective icons to call or send a chat message to. To add a new contact, tap on the green plus icon. Enter their information and when complete, hit Done. You can also mark a contact as a favorite, simply by clicking the star within the contacts information page.